Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another tutorial whether how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. So to delete it, log into your Facebook account and click on your profile icon. Here go to settings under settings and privacy. Then go to account center. And here you can manage your Facebook account. Since I want to delete my Facebook account permanently, I need to go to account ownership and control under personal detail. Here you need to go to deactivation or deletion. Remember, if you deactivate your account, you will be able to reactivate it. And if you delete your account, Facebook will not just delete your account, but also all the associated profiles with this account. Well, the profiles are actually the Facebook pages you may have created under this account. So click on deactivation or deletion. Here click on your account and select delete account and click on continue. Here it will show you all the associated profiles or pages that will be deleted with this account. Since I have only one, it is showing that, and you may have many more or none. Then click on continue. Here, Facebook wants to know whether why exactly you want to delete your account. Just select any and it may or may not suggest you something to keep you on the platform. Then click on continue. Here, Facebook is warning you that once the deletion process has begun, you won't be able to reactivate or retrieve any of the content or information you have added. So go through these options to save what you want to save and then click on continue to start the deletion process. And when you will start the process, it may or may not ask you to sign in again, and when you will sign in, it will ask you to confirm the permanent deletion of your account. And remember, once you will start the deletion process of your account, do not sign in back to your account for at least 30 days because the account deletion has been scheduled and is in process. And when you go to Facebook Help Center, here you can see that it's clearly mentioning that we delay deletion a few days after it's requested. A deletion request is cancelled if you log back into your account during this time. So do not log back into your account if you really want Facebook to delete your account. Anyhow, since I don't want to delete my personal account, I'm cancelling the process here. And if you really want to delete your account, click on continue and give confirmation to Facebook to delete your account. And this is how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.